Welcome. Take a gentle breath in and slowly let it go. Allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to unclench, and your hands to rest exactly where they are. There's nowhere else you need to be right now, nothing you need to achieve, and nothing you need to prove. For these next few moments, simply allow yourself to arrive. Perhaps today has been full, perhaps it has been difficult, and perhaps you've spent much of your time looking ahead towards the next task, the next problem, or the next thing that needed your attention. For now, let all of that wait. Like the tide retreating from the shore, allow your attention to gently return to this moment. Imagine yourself standing beside a quiet shoreline. The tide has slowly gone out, and while the sea has taken much with it, it has not left the shore empty. Scattered across the sand are smooth stones, pieces of driftwood, and tiny shells. Small reminders that even after movement, something always remains. Life can feel like that. Some seasons take more than we expected. Plans change, people leave, and certainty shifts. And yet, when we pause long enough to truly look, we often find that not everything has gone. Some quiet gifts have remained beside us all along. Notice your breathing. It has carried you here through ordinary days and extraordinary ones, all without asking for recognition. Notice your body. Perhaps it feels tired, or perhaps it carries aches, and still, it continues to carry you. Notice the people who have offered kindness, however briefly. A smile, a conversation, a hand on your shoulder, or a message arriving exactly when you needed it. Notice the places where you have found even a moment of peace. A favorite chair, morning light through a window, the sound of rain, the sea, or a quiet cup of tea. These are not extraordinary things, but simply the things that have quietly held you. We spend so much of our lives looking towards what is missing: the next achievement, the next answer, or the next version of ourselves. But for this moment, what if you gently asked yourself, what if this breath is enough? What if this moment, however imperfect, contains enough? Not because life is finished, and not because there is nothing left to hope for, but because peace does not have to wait until everything is perfect. Like the shoreline, you do not need to gather every single shell. You simply notice what is already here. Gratitude does not ask you to ignore what hurts, nor does it ask you to pretend life has been easy. It simply widens your view until, alongside the pain, you begin to notice the things that have quietly remained, the strength you didn't know you possessed, the kindness you have received, and the resilience that carried you one more day. Like the sea, you have known storms, but you have also known calm water, and both belong to your story. Take one slow breath in and let it go. Feel the quiet steadiness beneath you, the gentle rhythm of your breathing, and the calm of the shoreline. Carry this knowing with you, not that life will always be easy, or that every day will feel light, but that even in changing seasons, there is always something worth noticing, something worth holding close. The sea never keeps every wave, yet somehow, it never runs empty. May you remember that. May you return to it, again and again. Take one final gentle breath. As you breathe out, allow one quiet thought to settle within you. For this moment, I have enough. And for this moment, I am enough. Thank you for spending these moments here. Until we meet again, take care of yourself and stay steady.